It's time for a change. Have you ever left a website because it was too slow to load? You spend countless hours on your business, always looking for ways to turn passion into success. But if your website is too slow, visitors won't stick around to see what you have to offer. It doesn't even have chance. Long loading times just frustrate people, and frustrated people don't like spending money. It doesn't have to be this way. Let's stop a slow site from hindering your vision. Website Speedy makes your website load in a blink. We optimize the loading process by implementing asynchronous loading, lazy loading, prefetching, and preloading of resources to resolve render blocking and ensure smooth performance. Experience lightning fast loading speed, engaged visitors, and improved SEO rankings. In simple terms, we optimize your site with proprietary techniques that have been tested and proven on hundreds of websites and stores to find out what works best. These optimizations fix your core web vitals, including FCP, LCP, CLS, INP, and TBT, ensuring your site performs at its peak. All of this is done in the safest possible way, and you can activate or deactivate Website Speedy with a single click. When we're done, your site will get out of the way of your success. Try Website Speedy with our 14-day free trial